Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, you ready to make some more money or make some money differently? I have an idea that might help you. It's not going to be for everybody, but I'm going to share it with you today. That is having to do with Amazon. So if you do any kind of videoing, if you're a YouTuber or just like making videos and don't mind talking in front of the camera, we'll discuss that in a different video, talking in front of the camera and everything, and lighting and all kinds of different things. I'm not real sure that's going to be here though. You may have to subscribe to Grandpa's Random Reviews to see those videos, but nevertheless, if you're interested in possibly making some extra money besides these gig apps, let's talk about it. First thing I want to say, this is not for everybody, but if you are genuinely interested in making some money and possibly working your way into getting free products, that sounds good. The word free is always good, right? But seriously, you could make some money off Amazon, whether it's through the links or through videos. Now, the first thing you have to do is get signed up to be an Amazon associate. Then you can become an influencer. You might hear people saying that you have to have a large subscriber-based YouTube channel or a following on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or some kind of social media outlet. That's not true. Look at my numbers. I'm not a big channel, not at all. I got in. You can too. Let's go over here to the computer and I'll show you where to go. I can't show you how to do it because I already am signed up and everything, and it won't let me. Well, maybe it will. If I sign out. Sorry, I had to go over there and sign out of my account so I can show you where to go so you can sign up for your own account. Let's go over here to the desktop. All right, let's get our web browser opened up. I already have the page open, but it's going to be affiliate-program.amazon.com. I'll put the link down in the description. Well, let's go ahead and start the sign-up process. Okay, first thing we're going to do is click sign up. We want to go down here where it says create your Amazon account. Click on that. You'll want to put in your name, your email address, and a password. Re-enter it. We'll go ahead and do that. Create your Amazon account. Enter OTP. You will get this one-time password sent to your email address, so you'll need to go into your email and check that. You copy your one-time password, paste it in right there, and create your Amazon account. Now this is where you're going to go ahead and put in all your account information and everything else. So go ahead and fill all of this out. And keep in mind, you will be getting a 1099 if you make over $600. So don't think this is tax-free. This is just like your gig apps and everything else. If you make X amount of dollars, Uncle Sam is going to want their part. So go ahead and get all this filled out. And then you have to wait to be approved. I'm not going to fill all this out because I don't want to actually make a whole new account. It might mess something up that I've already got going. But nevertheless, that is how you're going to get started. Once you get your Amazon associate account set up and ready to go, you can then start putting links down into the description. You'll have a toolbar appear on your screen and it'll say text link, and you can pick out the kind of links you want, and then you can just copy and paste those into your description. And that will be an associate link, which means you're going to earn small commissions off of the sales. Now, once you get that going, then you want to go over and apply to be an Amazon associate. So once you get that done, you'll want to go over and sign up to be an Amazon influencer. And that's when you can start making a little bit more money, depending on the products you're making the videos about, because it's going to be making video reviews, basically. Now, if you're going to review computers and things like that, you're going to make bank. You will make bank. But if you're selling little $9.99 things and $20 and $30 and $40, $50 things, you make a little bit, but it adds up. You know, it makes sense. It's commission, and that's what it is. You're going to make commission. So what is an Amazon influencer? As a member of the Amazon Influence Program, you are a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire your audience via social media. If you are a media company or a brand and want to drive traffic to Amazon, you should apply to be an Amazon Associates program instead. So just for a regular content creator, YouTuber, whatever, influencer of some sort, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, this is the route you want to go. How can I monetize my content? There are multiple ways you can earn. You can monetize your social media content by sharing your storefront URL or through affiliate links. Once you get this going, you will get an Amazon storefront. Just like this. We'll have all your videos right there. So that's how you go about that. That's what you will get. And, you know, you can share the link in your descriptions or whatever. So that's how you go about that. We may also surface the content you have posted to your storefront to Amazon shoppers, allowing you to grow your followers and earn from new customers. Now, what that means is they're going to put, not guaranteed, but they normally will put your video that you make on the product page. Down at the bottom, if you go to Amazon, scroll down towards the bottom, you will see videos. And that's when you're going to make the money, is when you have a Amazon customer looking through whatever product it is, they scroll down there and they watch your video, and if they buy that product, you just made some commission. How much commission? I still haven't figured that out. But this says over here, but it's not in stone, shall we say. But how do you qualify for this program? We accept applications from all types of influencers, provided you have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account. If you are applying using the Instagram or Facebook account, you're required to use a business account. When reviewing your application, we look at the number of followers you have in addition to other engagement metrics. And that's what I was saying a while ago. See, they say that they look at the numbers. I don't have big numbers, but I do have a little engagement, and I have done a lot of reviews before I got accepted into this program. And actually, I didn't go this route. They had sent me an email and invited me to join this, so I kind of lucked out on that, so I didn't have to go through some of this. I think used to, they would invite you. Now you can apply for it. So how much will I earn? You can start earning commissions when your followers make qualifying purchases via your affiliate links. The amount you earn is based on the products sold. Commission rates can be found here and will also be visible in your reports. To learn more about getting started, visit Amazon Influencer Program Education Hub. Go down here, apply today, and start creating content. Just hit sign up, and you can go right there and click YouTube or whatever social media it is. Sign up with your YouTube and just follow the prompts. It's simple and easy, and it's a good way to make some money. How much money? It depends on the products. As far as the payouts and what it pays, so you can kind of see on Amazon Games, 20% commission, which is really high. Health and beauty stuff, like luxury, beauty, luxury stores, beauty, Amazon Explorer, all that, 10%. Digital music, 5%. You can see the list right there. It's not a lot, and some of this stuff is just a set amount. Visit there and read it yourself there. That way you'll know what it is that you are getting yourself into and how much the potential is. Doesn't mean that's how much you're going to make, but that's what the potential is. Now remember, even if somebody buys something, they don't pay you right then. It's about it's a month behind, but I think when you first start up, it's like 60 days. But the reason why they do that is because a customer has time to return an item, and it'll show you earn that money on a daily. But if they return that item, it will subtract it off of your daily earnings. So here's what it is. It's kind of like tip baiting, I guess. But we've all returned stuff to Amazon, so it's just part of it. I don't have an issue with that at all. Hope this has helped y'all. Like I said, I'm going to make some other videos over on Grandpa's Random Reviews, link in the description, and about the way I do things and the way I do reviews. So if you're not familiar with making videos and things like that, I'll show you the way I do it. It's not the only way, and it probably ain't the best way, but it's the way I do it, and I just work with what I got. And all you really need is a phone. You don't have to have a $2,000 camera or a camera like this. And, there's the camera right there. You can see that. A review item. Nevertheless, get signed up to be an associate first, and then set yourself up to be an influencer. It's about as dependable as these gig apps. I'm telling you. Don't depend on just one source of income. I'm just offering you another source of income to think about. I kind of fell into it. I don't know. It's like falling into a cool, refreshing swimming pool. I didn't plan to, but it happened, and here I am. Make what you can while you can. Anyway, y'all keep dashing, dancing, prancing, doing whatever it is you want to do. Just keep doing something, because you're going to grow old if you don't. And y'all keep smiling. Be nice to one another. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.